As you all know, we carry the banner of PDP in the South East with great pride. We may have had what I consider to be temporary distortion, but that will not determine where we're headed to as a party in the Southeast.
We strongly believe, as loyal party members, that it is in the interest of the party to uphold the nomination of the zone to forestall external forces cashing in to destabilize our great party.
I was told by the acting national chairman that the Southeast should meet and nominate somebody or elect somebody to replace Anyanwu. He told me, and we did that under the leadership of our president. Up to today, we are being kicked around.